The computer world. Sure. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Microsoft Office. Install Microsoft Office on your computer. You can either purchase a copy of the software or subscribe to Microsoft 365, which gives you access to the latest version of Office. Open the Office application you want to use. You can do this by clicking on the application icon from the Start menu or by searching for it in the search bar. Create a new document. To create a new document, click on the File menu and select New, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N. You can then choose the type of document you want to create, such as a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, or PowerPoint presentation. Start editing your document. Depending on the type of document you're working on, you may need to enter text, insert images or tables, or create charts. To edit your document, simply click on the part of the document you want to change and start typing or inserting content. Save your document. To save your document, click on the File menu and select Save, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. You can choose where to save your document and give it a name. Use formatting options to make your document look professional. Depending on the type of document you're working on, you may want to apply formatting options such as fonts, colors, and styles. These options can be found in the Home tab of the ribbon menu. Use templates to save time. If you don't want to start from scratch, you can use templates to create documents quickly. To access templates, click on the File menu and select New, and then select Templates. Share your document with others. You can share your document with others by clicking on the Share button in the upper right corner of the window. You can then choose how you want to share the document, such as by email or by uploading it to a cloud service like OneDrive. Print your document. To print your document, click on the File menu and select Print, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P. You can then choose your printer and print settings. That's a basic overview of how to use Microsoft Office. Of course, there are many more features and options available in each application, so feel free to explore and experiment to find out what works best for you.